This is my lace embellishment box. Now the little birdhouse design I created myself. I do the embroidery. It's really an applique. Decorated the box. And that is to hold these little goodies. Okay. With this kit, you get, sorry about that. With this kit, you get this combination of different laces and fabrics that kind of coordinate with the theme. A little applique lace. You get the second and third of the collection of the applique designs. They all match, so you can incorporate them into your journal. I have velvet ribbons. Lace. More lace. Other trims that you can use. This is a ribbon. You could always use it as a tuck spot or a pocket. It is wired. With wide wired ribbons, sometimes I take out the wire and I just use it like fabric. More trim. More velvet ribbons. And a tiny little embellishment bottle. And that's my little lace box. Let me know if you want me to make you one. I can make it all in vintage, or if you have any ideas, I can custom make you a lace box. Have a great day. Bye-bye.